Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lourdes, aka Lo, and this is Life with Lo. So this is my new YouTube channel. This is my first video. In this video today, we're just going to be taking my two-strand twist down so you can see my twist out, and also I'm going to include just some different styles that I did with my two-strand twist. So I've had them in for 3 weeks now, ready to take them out for the last week before I wash my hair this weekend. But anyways guys, welcome to my new channel. To begin with, we're going to be talking about locks. It's going to be all about locks, from starting locks, starter locks, lock maintenance, lock styling, everything there is to know about locks, lock products, the do's and don't with locks. But it's going to be from my personal experience, and it's also going to be from a professional's perspective, because I am a loctician. So a lot of my clients have voiced all of their concerns to me, and they tend to have the same questions, they tend to have the same concerns. So I decided it would be a good idea to make a YouTube video to cater to all their questions and concerns. And also because I work from home now, so I figured now would be a good time for me to start my YouTube channel and cater to all my current clients, my new clients, and the lock community as a whole, because I have noticed it is a very underserved market, especially from the professionals, when it comes to educating the lock community. So I want to just kind of contribute to that void where there's a lack of education in the lock community. Thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to be catering to everybody with locks, everybody who just started their locks or been well along their journey. I'm going to be catering to people who are considering getting locks. And also, I'm going to cater to people who have this notion that, you know, locks aren't cute, or they aren't sexy or professional or fancy, or they don't, you know, they have some sort of stigma with locks. So I'm going to break those stigmas down, because locks can literally fit any and everybody, and it can fit everybody. And it's a great lifestyle. It could fit anybody's lifestyle. So stay tuned for this video, and also for future videos. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching, guys. So yeah guys, here are just a couple of different styles you can do with two-strand twists. I just put this together real quick so you can get some inspiration for how you can style your two strands before you take them down. Hope you like these. Thought they were cute. So yeah, finally the takedown of the two-strand twist. Honestly, this is my favorite part of getting two-strand twist is the takedown because I just love how crinkly my hair gets. And it's a little frizzy, but that's because I left it in for like 3 weeks. But yep, I love this part. Okay, y'all, this is the final product. And I like it. I always like it. I love my crinkle fries. I feel like it makes my hair look thicker and fuller, even though it's pretty thick. But I like the little volume it gives my hair. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Honestly, two-strand twist is my go-to because there's so much you can do with it. It's like a good way to style your retwist because it'll make it last so much longer. It's easy to do yourself. You're just twisting your strands together. Should probably do a video about that. And it helps your retwist to last a long time, and you could do so many different things with it while it's twisted up, and a lot of things you could do with it when it's down. So for tonight, probably just going to, it is kind of frizzy though, so for tonight I'm probably just going to style it like this. It's kind of like my go-to look, pinned up on the side, let it waterfall on one side and fall in the back. I don't know, but I like it. I'll show you my finished product when I finish getting ready. Thanks for watching, guys.